Welcome! In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add a sticker as a community photo on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. To do this, visit web.whatsapp.com in your browser and log in by scanning the QR code with your smartphone. Once you're in, you'll see your chats and communities listed on the left-hand side. Next, locate the community section in the left side menu. Click on it to access all the communities you're part of. Select the specific community where you want to add a sticker as the community photo. Once inside your chosen community, click on its name at the top of the screen. This will open the community settings page, where you can manage various options. Now, look for the option labeled Add Community Icon. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Emoji and Sticker. This is where you can choose a sticker to set as the community photo. Browse through your available stickers and pick one that best represents your community. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking the appropriate button to finalize the process. And that's it. Your chosen sticker is now set as the community photo for your selected WhatsApp community. It's a simple yet fun way to personalize your group and make it stand out. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. See you in the next video.